Presently, how about we begin? It's now 22, and on the off chance that you actually haven't gotten yourself a method for bringing in cash online while laying in bed, then you're passing up a ton. In the present video I will show you another stage that will pay a large number of you watch recordings as a games or even by perusing comics. The best part is these should be possible in the solace of your own bed, so it wouldn't be that difficult. Snatch your telephone or PC, unwind, go to the site and watch a video. The site pays you $20 when you finish a video, so it's not exactly a ton. However, it's as yet perfect. However, since this is extremely simple and straightforward, beside the way that this is accessible overall, what's incredible is that you can watch it on your savvy vis, on your shrewd TVs, or on your cell phones while setting down. Now allowed me to ask you something. How? Excuse something. The number of motion pictures that have you watched in all your years? Presently we should begin the first and primary stage, which we will use to get compensated free paper cash simply by watching recordings, is considered liveliness. Its old movement field. This is where we can observe various audits about motion pictures, computer games, and even comics. Individuals are giving their inputs on this specific square gathering, or anything you call it. The most fascinating part about this site is that it will truly pay money you watch a film or play a computer game, so we will utilize that component to procure $20 again and again. And interestingly, you don't have to put away cash, and you needn't bother with any insight or extraordinary abilities to do this. Site acknowledges individuals from everywhere the world. Now you should simply go to this site, wherein you needn't bother with any composing abilities for this, since you eating in exposition or at all. You simply have to offer a viewpoint about the film you observed, so you can truly watch anything that film you like, and whatever is on where you favor. You should simply watch it at whatever point and any place you need, and afterward you offer your perspective about it on this site and get compensated in kind. As you can see here, the compensation is $20 per audit with a limit of 10 audits each month, yet that is just with one email. Assuming you join with different records, you can clearly get more cash flow, yet regardless of whether you're just doing 10 video surveys each month. That is as of now $100 only for watching films, and it's presumably something that we generally do consistently, in light of the fact that I realize we as a whole love watching motion pictures. And what truly astounded me is that you can make surveys about motion pictures that you have watched in the past. So these are the principles in bringing in cash online with liveliness field. Each audit utilization of met must is comprised of somewhere around 550 words, which isn't much by any stretch of the imagination, and it should be unique so you can reorder another person's audit. You need to offer your fair perspective about the film, and that is essentially all you want to do. And toward the finish of each survey you should rate the material on a size of 1 to 10, so anything you feel about the film, compose it in the event that you truly partake in the film, or you could do without it. Offer your legitimate assessment, and as a trade-off you will get compensated $20 per survey. Currently, suppose for instance you're finished watching a film and presently you need to present an audit. You should simply send an email to this email address here, field master@animationarena.com, with a title Composing for Movement Field 2011, and afterward answer these following inquiries inside your email. So this is the way we bring in cash online with activity field, yet genuine, speedy, in the event that you is the exceptional reward that I've guaranteed you, which is one more better and present-day approach to bringing in cash by watching recordings online. This is by utilizing the stagecashkit.com, which I interface in the video portrayal underneath too. This is an extra stage that I might want to impart to you for you to boost your pay and results. So, assuming you present a 10 surveys on the past site, you can make up to $150. Yet if you have any desire to get more cash flow by basically observing extremely brief recordings and not motion Pictures. You can utilize CashKick. As you can see here, cash is the best prize, which is they're saying will store cash into your record for every one of the pleasant things you're now doing on the web, like watching recordings and surfing the web. Envision how effectively you can get compensated by doing those. You can likewise answer overviews if you have any desire to get more cash flow, yet it's not what we'll zero in on today. As you can see here, you can get compensated straightforwardly to your PayPal record, of which is incredible, particularly for online exchanges. CashKick is totally free and will constantly remain free. You don't have to put away any cash or at all. You can begin with $0 with this technique. It's just about as simple as 1 2 3. First, you observe short and engaging recordings. Second, watch the profit fill in your record. And third, you cash out early, effectively and frequently. Best of all, CashKick offers the least payout edges available. They store your cash rapidly, safely and helpfully, beginning at just $5. So all you really want is $5 in your record to cash out. You don't require $50 or $100 as a base. You simply need $5 and you can pull out your cash immediately. What's additionally perfect about this is you can do this on your cell phone or on your PC. You can do this while laying on your bed or sitting on your lounge chair. Whatever you're doing, yourself can bring in cash. That is that simple. Albeit this strategy is simple, you'll simply have the option to make an additional $2 or $3, yet regardless of whether it's only several bucks, it will ultimately add up, and all you really want is a couple of moments and an internet association. This can be any place on the planet. I mean, there's no genuine work for you, since you're just watching recordings which you don't for even a moment need to effectively observe. Press the play button and leave the video playing behind the scenes so you can accomplish something different while cash rolls into your record. To begin, go to cashkick.com or utilize their application and only pursue a free record. To do so, enter your email address and pick a secret key, and afterward click Get Everything Rolling. Currently, that's all there is to it in the wake of doing so. You will actually want to open the element where you can watch recordings and press the play button and leave the video playing behind the scenes so you can accomplish something different while cash rolls into your record. To begin, go to cashkick.com or utilize their application and only pursue a free. Frequently, you will get compensated per video you play. Now, assuming you even more cash than you want to watch this video here for you to find telecommute occupations that pay you $30 each hour, which are
So before ending video, I would like to invite you to search my channel Easy Earning and subscribe my channel and press bell icons.